we can get the background color in hex code with just a single function. Here's all the hex codes of these colors, and fill hex, there's white. And you'd be surprised to know this is only one line of script. Let's do this. Go up to Extensions, AppScript. When you first open this up, you'll probably see that this is function my function. We're going to call this fill hex. And the only thing we're going to do is return something, which is spreadsheetapp.getActiveRange.getBackground. The output of this get background is the hex code, or the color in hex code format of whatever this active range is when we run this function. So let's save this, Command S. And I want to do one more thing, which is I'm going to add a /@custom function. And this custom function means I can call this fill hex, all caps. And when I come back to my sheet, I'm going to do equals fill hex, and it's going to show up as a native function, almost as a native function. Fill hex, end parentheses, hit enter, and there is the hex code of that background color. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.